Good day, everyone. We are the Group 1, and we're going to tackle all about the hotel chain supply chain.
Hello everyone, I am Brian. A hotel chain is a collection of hotels owned or operated by the same company or organization. These hotels share a common brand name and often adhere to consistent standards, services, and design elements. For travelers, staying at a hotel within a chain offers a sense of familiarity and predictability, as they can anticipate similar experiences and amenities at different location under the same chain umbrella. So, kapag magsistay ka sa isang place at isa kang traveler, kung ano yung nakuha mo sa isang hotel, kuwari Marriott, kung nakapag-stay ka na dun sa Marriott sa Manila, then nag-travel ka sa US at pumunta ka rin dun sa Marriott na branch dun, same pa rin yung experience na makukuha mo dahil pareho sila ng owner at pareho yung kanilang way kung paano i-operate yung isang hotel. On the other hand, a supply chain refers to the entire network of organizations and activities involved in producing and delivering a product or service to the customers. It encompasses all the steps from sourcing raw materials to manufacturing, distribution, and also retailing. In context of hotels, the supply chain encompasses everything needed to run the hotel smoothly, from procuring linens and toiletries to managing food and beverage supply. So yung supply chain ay siya yung gumagawa ng paraan kung papaano ma-deliver yung mga raw materials na kailangan ng isang hotel. Katulad ng mga chairs, linen, bed frame at kung ano-ano pa na kailangan gamitin sa isang hotel para mas mapaganda at mas maging smooth yung pag-check-in ng mga guests na pupunta sa kanilang hotel. Thank you so much.
And now let's proceed for the six characteristics of hotel supply chain have been identified.
Perishability of products and services. When we say perishability of products and services, is an important concept in marketing that refers to the fact that some products and services have a limit amount of time that they can be stored, used, or sold. Example of perishable items include food items and event tickets. Food items. Pag sinabi nating food items, kadalasan sa mga food items like canned goods or ano pa is, 'di ba meron itong date kung kailan ginawa at meron din siyang date kung kailan ma-expire. Yun ang example sa food items. Sa event ticket naman, same lang din. If naka if meron na kayong napuntahan concert or what, 'di ba merong exact date na pwede mo lang siyang i-consume. So, ganun lang din, meron din siyang expiration day, parang ganun. Kaya sabi dito sa ano is, some products and services have limited amount of time.
Number 2. The second feature deals with the dependence on the presentation and interpretation of the products offered to the clients so that there is a good quality hotel and customer interaction to generate new demand since the hotel industry is highly interactive. Ibig sabihin, dapat maayos yung quality presentation at interpretasyon ng isang product sa mga clients nila upang magkaroon ng magandang ugnayan ang hotel at customer upang makabuo uli ng panibagong produkto na kakailanganin.
The third characteristic is the inherent complexity of products and services, resulting in a higher number of suppliers. So, bali ito yung may mga problema sa kanilang produkto at serbisyo na may mga bahagi o aspeto na mahirap gawin o buuin dahil sa mga komplikadong disenyo at mga kinakailangan na proseso na nahihirapan silang gawin. Kaya dahil dito, nagkakaroon ng mga maraming suppliers upang makatulong na makapag-provide ng maayos at maganda na produkto at serbisyo sa mga customer.
Number 6. Finally, the sixth trait involves the traditional sale of tourism service packages, making the relationship and cooperation among tourism organizations crucial. Ibig sabihin dito, ay dapat na sa isang hotel chain supply chain ay may magandang tradisyonal na marketing strategy. Dahil dito, mas napapahalagahan ang mga connection, relasyon at pagtutulungan sa mga organisasyon sa turismo. At dahil sa pamamagitan ng marketing strategy, mas napapalago pa ang turismo sa ating bansa. Isang halimbawa nito ay ang mga hotels ay nag-iisip sila ng mga promo packages na nakaka-attract ng atensyon ng customer na kung saan ay maaari nila itong i-avail at once na nagustuhan nila ito at nai-enjoy, maaari rin nila itong i-share sa ibang tao na maaari rin nating maging customer. Dahil sa traditional na marketing strategy, mas natutulungan ang pag-expand ng turismo sa ating bansa.
The fifth characteristic is the inseparability between service production and the customer. Pag maganda ang ating service, kusa nang lalapit sa ating yung customer kasi alam nila yung quality of work na meron tayo. So that's why napakahalaga sa hospitality industry na hindi paghiwalayin ang production service at customer. Dahil hindi magkakaroon ng growth and development ang isang hotel kung walang customer.